Want to know the best time to book a hotel? Here are some secrets from travel hackers to get the best deal on a hotel room. But first, welcome back to Travel Wisdom, the channel where we share travel tips, travel guides, and so much more. Don't forget to like and subscribe and comment your dream travel destination. Now, let's get into it. One tip is to check convention calendars in popular cities like Las Vegas, Chicago, and Orlando to avoid booking during big trade shows. Another tip is to book right after a major tourist event when hotels are less crowded. Using data can also help you find great deals. Kayak research shows that booking hotels far in advance can actually be more expensive, unlike flights which are usually cheaper when booked early. Hotels use dynamic pricing, meaning they constantly adjust room rates based on supply and demand. Hotel prices also vary based on seasonal demand, events, holidays, and changes in the travel industry. Booking hotels in the U.S. For most destinations, it's cheaper to check in on a Sunday. Weekend travelers have checked out, and business travelers don't usually arrive until later. Kayak data shows that Sunday check-ins can be up to 7% cheaper. Avoid Friday check-ins, as they tend to be 8% more expensive. If your plans are flexible, use price alerts to get notified about price changes for your destination. Booking international hotels. Arriving on a Tuesday can be 4% cheaper than average, as midweek is usually less busy. On the other hand, Thursday is the most expensive day, with prices 2% higher than average. These differences aren't huge, so if you have a specific hotel in mind, go ahead and book. Best month to book domestic hotels. In the U.S., summer prices are generally higher, while winter prices are lower, except during holidays. November can be up to 10% cheaper, making it a good month to book. December is the most expensive, with prices up by 6%. Consider traveling during colder months outside of holidays to save money. Best month to book international hotels. In Europe, booking after the summer high season can save you money. October prices can be up to 7% cheaper, and the weather is still pleasant. December is the priciest month for international travel, with prices up 17%. Exploring off-season travel. To find deals, avoid major events and holiday destinations. For example, Mardi Gras in New Orleans or New Year's Eve in New York City will be expensive. Kayak data suggests sweet spots for travel: October and November, and March and April in Europe, January, March, and September-November in Southern Africa, and January in the Caribbean. Using technology for booking, Best Time to Travel tools can help you decide when to book based on your destination and travel dates. Some of these tools uses historical data to recommend the best times to travel and book for the lowest prices. For instance, a trip from San Diego to Chicago might be cheaper in October. Last-minute bookings. Unlike flights, booking hotels at the last minute can save you money. For domestic hotels, you can save up to 58%, and for international hotels, up to 73%. However, this strategy works best if you're flexible and the destination has plenty of hotel rooms available. If you're set on a specific hotel or there's a big event, it's safer to book in advance. That's it, folks. The best time to book and check into your hotel. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment your dream travel destination. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, safe travels. Bye.